spoon. What is it? Wowzers, they are humongous, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
Walk over that way, Gracie May.
Yeah.
Over there. Oh my God, I've never seen them so big. Look at the size of them. They're huge. Katie never fails, feet out. Oh my goodness.
I've got loads.
Have you?
Oh, hit me on the face.
They look huge.
Look, I've got like this.
How many have you caught? They're humongous, aren't they? Look. Wow.
Grace, come over here. Let me pull these in. Put it on through there.
Huge, aren't they? They're huge.
I can't believe it.
Slush puppy. We're going to have a slush puppy, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll just leave it there and just see how many we get. Put them up lobby.
Mad.
So then we catch that.
Come on then. That's mint.